This video is regarding the CA Inter students. Kindly watch this till the end of the video. Like many students are having confusion regarding what are the amendments that are applicable for November 2023 and what ICAI has released for November 2023 exams. And by the way, for November 2023, existing scheme is only applicable. Don't even think about new scheme if at all you're writing for November 2023. And don't ask me about new scheme where which is applicable from May 2024, where the announcement will be from 1st July. Okay, on 1st July. Fine, I'm doing this video on 23rd June. So first of all, these subjects, paper 2, paper 4 and paper 6, only these three subjects generally will have amendments. Most predominantly paper 4, taxation, is the one which is having huge number of amendments generally. Now, if you observe, the institute has given, like everyone will be asking, sir, what material we should follow, ICA material, latest material, like what is it all that? Institute has released for CA Inter study material only in 2021 year. E21 refers to edition 21. Only in edition 2021, CA Inter 8 subjects materials were released. Thereafter, only for income tax, please make a note, only for income tax in the year 2022, new edition has been released. That's we call it as edition 2022 material of ICAI. ICAI study material is released, updated only in 2022 for income tax. For rest all other subjects till date 2023 June 23rd, after 2021 till 2023 June, getting it, institute has not released any other study material for any subject. So please, point number 1, edition 2021 year, calendar year, in that year institute released books for all the 8 subjects of CA Inter under the existing scheme. Thereafter, only for income tax, please, only for income tax in the year 2022 they released updated book. Rest all other books right now, what is there in the ICA website is 2021 edition only. Now, coming to, sir, I'm writing November exam. So you are saying institute has given only 2021 books. Now, between them, like after 2021, now up to November 2023, like simply for November exams, what amendments will be applicable? All the amendments that were that exist up to 30th April 2023. Up to 30 April, whatever notifications, circulars related to your syllabus comes into picture, those circulars and notifications and modifications to the provisions will apply for November exams. It is just simple. 6 months before exam, whatever changes were there in the law, all those changes will apply for the exam. Now, sir, as a student of CA Inter, what should I do? How should I get all these amendments at one place? Nothing to worry. Institute itself gave amendments book directly. What institute says? For paper 2 law, follow edition 21 ICA study material, plus they have given something called SU, means statutory update. There is something called statutory update 2023. Please watch this video once again for better clarity. Getting it? Now, so they have given statutory update for 2023. I'll just open and show you, don't worry. So, if you just come to BOS portal, like BOS portal, you just come to this part, amendments. You just click on this, intermediate. Now you see here, there is an amendments, third one, paper 2, this one, November 2023, paper 2. Okay, if you click on that, so here the point clearly says, September 2021 edition book, whatever edition 21 law book is there, that one, plus all amendments up to, you see here, all amendments up to 30th April 2023, after 1st May till 30 April 2023, they are all mentioned below. So these 10 pages, this 10 pages document contain all the amendments. Now, if at all you are a rest student, you are a subscription student or subject wise, don't worry, for you already amendments video we have provided in YouTube. You just search CA Ramharsha law amendments. You will get a video of our faculty explaining all these amendments. Simple. Now coming to the next one. This is regarding law. Now coming to the next one. Now what is the next one? Paper 4A. So I spoke about law. Now paper 4A, income tax. Now for income tax, if at all you want to make yourself ready for November 2023 exams, what you should do? As per the institute, you have to study from edition 22 material. Edition 2022, like income tax new material based upon Finance Act 2022, assessment year 23-24, based upon that, income tax new material is released in edition 22, which is originally applicable from May 23 and November 23 onwards. Now, for that, what you simply have to do, you just have to read along with that statutory update, which contains very few amendments, hardly very few, 7 or 8 pages amendments only. Statutory update you have to study. Now, what is that statutory update? Again, so you see here, income tax. Here you see the bottom, paper 4 taxation. Just click here. Okay, it is redirected to another page, income tax. Now, what are they saying here? May 22 edition of study material, nothing but 2022 study material of income tax, and all the amendments from May 22 to 30th April, all were summarized here. COVID related amendments, advanced tax, TDS amendments, that's it, nothing else in the income tax. Anyhow, after few days, I will come up with a specific video on income tax amendments again. Getting it? Now, that is a point regarding income tax. Now, I hope you are clear with respect to income tax, right? Yes. Now, so this is with respect to income tax. Now, coming to GST, where the entire crux, like what? So much confusion for student is on the GST part. For GST, ICA original book is released when edition 21 only, in October or November, September 2021 only, there is a latest book of ICA. After that, they have not released full-fledged GST book. Now, what you should do? You should study, after studying ICA study material 2021, you should study supplementary study paper 2022. What is this supplementary study paper? In the supplementary study paper, whatever amendments that were there from May 1st October 2021 to I think 30th April 2022. So all these items were covered in supplementary study paper 2022. Again, 1st May 2022 to 30th April 2023, which means now latest, they were covered in statutory update. Sorry, what is it called as? Statutory update 2023. With respect to GST, if you want to make yourself ready for November exams, 3 things. First, study from original ICA book 2021, statutory supplementary study paper 2022. After that, you have to read statutory update 2023. Don't worry, I'll show you here. If you just observe, indirect taxes, you see here, indirect taxes supplementary study paper. This is relevant for May 23, November 23, which is released in 2022. This is supplementary study paper 2022. All amendments from 1st May to 30th April 22. Now, in addition to this, again come back to paper 4 taxation. Here you see here, this one is applicable. This will cover all the amendments from 1st May to 30th April 2023. So institute has given book edition 21, which contains amendments up to 30 April 2021. Now, what about 1st May to 30th April 2022 supplementary study paper 2022? What about amendments from 1st May 2022 to 30th April 2023 statutory update? Don't confuse. Once again, watch this video, you will get clarity. Next. Now coming to auditing. So I think P4B also clear. Sir, is there any combined book available for all this? I'll talk about that at the end of this video. Okay, we have our own materials where we updated all this. Okay, now P6, paper 6 auditing. Edition 21 material. Then statutory update 2023. Statutory update means this one only, whatever I'm showing here. Statutory update. Here you see auditing. For November 23, there is a statutory update given. That's it. In this, whatever amendments were there, it is already covered as part of my YouTube video RTP. I have taken an RTP video, May 2023 exams. In that, all these points were covered. The same only given once again. Getting it? I hope the confusion is clear for you. Now, sir, reading ICA edition 21 and thereafter reading all these amendments is a little difficult for us. Is there any alternative option? Very simple. Entire this law, edition 21 plus statutory update 2023 effect, whatever this effect is there, we have our own PDF. You just open Shrestha for CA and CMA website. You just open, just a minute. Yeah, open Shrestha. There is an option study material. Just open CA Inter, open group notes, open P2. Here you see company law. If you download this PDF, here in this, we have already added all these items. Most of these amendments were covered, you see here. This entire material is based upon 2021 edition and all the amendments were given at 342 page. This is our law material. Now coming to taxation, P4B. If you see P4B, this is new material which is completely made for November. Which contain all the amendments that are applicable up to, I can say, October 31st, 2022. Thereafter, 6 months related amendments were there, which recently only ICA released. That we will cover as a separate PDF. I don't think it is more than 2 or 3 pages. Not more than 2 or 3. This is completely amended. Remember, Institute has given edition 21 material only. This is completely updated material. Like for GST, what is the point they're saying? They're saying edition 21 plus supplementary update, statutory update for 2022 is there? No, entire that merged one. This is original book plus amendments. Both we combined and drafted revised provisions across this entire book. This is updated book. For this, we will give some 5 pages or 3 pages PDF extra. If you read that, GST, you are ready. Now coming to income tax, you see here we have mentioned that coming soon. Income tax, we are bringing a material in another 10 to 15 days. Hardly 10 days only, not even 15, 10 days only, which is amended, including that statutory update. I am going to release new income tax book, which is completely amended. You need not even look at amendments book. You need not even look at amendments class. If you directly watch my income tax marathon, which I'm going to upload, and my income tax classes, original, regular or subscription, whatever, on my income tax book, if you're able to read, it is going to be updated one completely. This clarification is what you require. Okay, I hope you're clear on this part regarding what are the amendments, what are the books, all that confusion I think I clarified in this video. Okay, share it to your friends also if at all if any one of them is having this confusion. Okay, all the very best. Have a nice time.